Hey, chaos farmers, what's up? We have a goal, you and me. We're gonna set this goal, and we don't have much time to do it. Are you ready? We're building a barn. You and me are building a barn, and we're gonna be using the Woodmizer LT15, and we're gonna be using these trees.
Bum, 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 bum.
But there's a catch. We only have until October 5th. October 5th to take all of these trees and get them out of the woods. Not all of them. We're just getting the ones on the side of the road. I can give you more detail on that later. But we only have until October 5th. It's a ton of work. It's pretty much impossible, but we're going to do it. We're going to do this. We're going to do it because we have to. There's not a choice. There's a deadline. So every day between now and October 5th, I'm going to be posting a video on the progress. So here's a video. Here's some shots of what I did yesterday. Just clearing off some of the smaller trees off to the side. You can see the red dots are the trees that we're going to be taking. But there's tons of smaller ones. This is a daylighting project. So the state wants me to clear all these trees off to the side so they can get more light on the road, and more light on the road is less ice in the wintertime, yada, yada, yada. But October 5th, 2 months. And that little bit that I showed you was hours of work yesterday. Hours of work, and I'm out of shape. Oh, I don't know. I have no idea how this is going to work, how we're going to get through this, but we have to. And I want you to see the progress. I want to see it happen, whether I succeed or I fail. I don't know. Am I going to succeed or I'm going to fail? This is a huge project. There's very little time to get it done. I'm hoping that posting these will help motivate me to get in and get this work completed. But it's a lot of sweaty, hard work. I'm getting ready to go up again today to get a little bit more work done up in the state land. Every day I'm going to be posting a video to show you the progress. October 5th, 2 months from now, we have to get everything done. So there's going to be a video every day showing the progress of where we're moving, help to tell the story. The end goal is building a barn for Chaos Farm. Get it? And using the Woodmizer LT15. But right now our focus is just getting this wood so that we don't lose it. Okay? So make sure to check in every day, follow along, because I don't know whether I'm going to succeed or I'm going to fail. I don't know. I hope that I succeed, and I hope that you get to see that along this path. And I really need your help and your support. Thanks for being there, and let's see if we can get this done.